Hello, this is a video on can you trust your guide? One example of a guide is a level. You've all seen one of these, I'm sure. We use those in construction to see if we're building things straight or not. You can see they're building some houses around here, and whether they use a level or not on some of these things is questionable. But what I'm going to do is show you how to test your guide, and in this case how to test a level. I'm trained as a mason, so I know how to test a level to see if it's good or not, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Now if I set this level right here up against this window frame and put it in tight, now you see I've got it down in the corner here. It can't move in or out or back and forth, and I have it tight against the window frame. And you'll notice if you line up the lines on the bubble there, that bubble is just touching that line. Okay? Now just because the bubble happens to be out doesn't mean the level is out. It could mean, and it does mean in this case, the window is not plumb. Okay? But if you really want to test the level, what you do is you turn it around like this and put it in the very same place so it can't move, and it should read exactly the same way. As you can see, it does. And you'll notice that this level has a bubble at the other end too. So what you need to do is turn it around, put it in tight in the very same place, and look at it from the same angle, and you'll see this other bubble is reading the same way. And if I turn it around this way, okay, it also reads the same way. So this is how you test a level. Now if you get a different reading in any of those cases, then you know it's time to buy a new level. Okay? Now how you don't test a level is by grabbing your friend's level or your buddy's level and saying, hey, let me check mine compared to yours. Because that doesn't work. His could be out too. But when you test your measuring device or your guide against itself, and you read it, by flipping it around that way and checking it in different various ways, and it reads the same way each time, then you know that your guide is true.